Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to punch in and view your attendance data using the OrangeHRM mobile app. First, log in to your OrangeHRM mobile application. On the dashboard, you'll see your last punch-out date and time. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a clock icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the punch-in screen, where you can perform your punch-in directly. Here you can see the current date and time and even adjust them if needed. You'll also see your last punch-out record along with the time zone. Once ready, tap the punch-in button at the bottom of the screen. You'll then get a confirmation message showing the date and time you successfully punched in. Now, let's head back to the home screen by tapping this button. Once you've punched in, let's see how to check your attendance records. Click on this button to open the side panel, and then go to the attendance module. In the drop-down, you'll see two options: My Attendance and Punch In Out. Let's go to My Attendance to get a detailed view of your records. At the top, you'll see your pay period and the status of whether your attendance sheet has been submitted or not. You'll also find your total work duration for the week, your total leave duration, and based on your pay policy, details like overtime, double time, and total break time. To view more info, go to the Attendance Details section, where you can view your week at a glance. If you want details for a specific day, simply select that date to see the full record for it. From the Attendance module, you can also perform a punch-in or punch-out. Just go to the Punch-In Out section, select the date and time, and add a note if you wish. Once ready, click on the Punch-Out button. You'll then see a confirmation message letting you know you've successfully punched out, along with your punch-in and out time and the total work duration for the day. As an admin, you can view employee attendance details through the Attendance module. Go to Employee Attendance. Select the desired date range. Then click the Filter button at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can filter records based on pay policy or employee name. If needed, you can reset the filter by clicking the Reset button. To filter, simply select a pay policy, type the employee name, and select the employee. You can also set this filter as the default. Finally, click the Search button to view the results. Click on a record to view a summary of attendance details for the selected employee. Here, you can see the total work duration, leave duration, and the pay policy assigned to that employee. You'll also find details such as regular time, overtime if configured, and a graphical chart displaying the employee's weekly attendance. Click on Attendance Details to get detailed information for the selected employee. From the weekly view, select a date to see the total work duration, overtime hours, punch-in time, and punch-out time. To view the actual punch-in and out times, simply enable the Show Actual Time option. And that's how you can manage and track attendance using OrangeHRM. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at goldsupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.